That's right. Clearing skies means plenty of sunshine on the way for your Thursday. It's going to be such a brighter day, but a windier one as well. I'll show you in just a moment. We have some wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour to talk about this morning. Taking a look at Doppler HD, though, I'm going to zoom in here in Oxford County. Areas like Gilead, also Bethel, getting just a couple of sprinkles this morning. Otherwise, we head toward the mid-coast area, Waldoboro, Rockland, getting a few sprinkles. These are all moving on out of here. You don't need your rain jacket as you step out the door today. Look at those winds, though. 20 miles per hour in Portsmouth, 30 mile per hour gust in Concord. We'll continue to see gusty winds over 20 miles per hour right through the morning hours. I do expect those winds to quiet down a little bit during the afternoon. Windy, seasonable, near 60 degrees and plenty of sunshine. But guys, we have some frosty mornings to talk about coming up in your 7-day forecast. That's ahead this half hour. First, I'll be back with your 72-hour forecast, taking us into the first part of the weekend.
All right. Thank you, Sarah.
And we still have just under a month to go in our hurricane season. A tropical depression we're keeping an eye on, but here in the Northeast, things are quieting down after a wild and wet day yesterday. Today, sunny and windy, temperatures climbing into the 60s. 60s with increasing clouds tomorrow. I expect showers Friday night. They'll wrap up Saturday morning, and those 60s on Saturday, a little bit misleading. I expect that we'll hit the 60s late in the morning and then start to cool down through the afternoon. What does that mean for the rest of your Columbus Day weekend forecast? I'll be back with the chilly details coming up right after the break, guys.
Watch Storm Team 13, only on News 13.
And at 6:08, our skies are brightening up over Portland. The last of those clouds moving away, leaving us with a much brighter and drier day ahead today. We are getting a few clouds that are hanging on over the mountains today. Let's take a look at Doppler HD this morning, and we'll zoom right in on a few of those mountain showers, mostly in the Bethel and Newry area this morning, staying north of Route 2. Rumford, you'll get clipped by a couple of those sprinkles or showers in the next 20 minutes or so, but otherwise a dry morning. If you're headed out, you don't need to grab that rain jacket. What a difference from yesterday. 8 o'clock this morning, loads of sunshine, temperatures close to 50 degrees. Headed toward lunch hour today, it is going to be windy, gusty out there, close to 60. And you'll notice that the mountains are still hanging on to a few showers, even a few snow showers over spots like Mount Washington. Winter, of course, beginning at the top of New England. Now, 5 o'clock this evening, still bright and dry evening commute home as well. Those winds will start to diminish during the afternoon and evening hours. Then the clouds start to move in tonight and early Friday morning. I do think we'll get some sunny breaks in here before the clouds completely take over. The mountains getting a couple of scattered showers north of Route 2 back into the White Mountains in New Hampshire. By noontime Friday, the rest of us stay dry right through the evening commute. Then showers arrive Friday evening, and they wrap up early enough Saturday morning. We will be left with a mostly dry day Saturday to kick off the weekend. Those 60-degree temps, they'll come early on Saturday. Then we cool through the 50s through afternoon, and Sunday 50s and sunshine as we head through the holiday weekend. I do expect more clouds on Monday. Still some question as to when those raindrops will fall. And in the mountains, we could even get some snowflakes mixing in. This is during the day on Monday. But look at how cool those temperatures are. Even along the coast, we're looking at several mornings with frost. So the growing season coming to an end for coastal communities as well, guys. I got to get out there and harvest those green tomatoes before we see too many frosts.